Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss on how to do mock-ups of different images. Is it pet bottles? Is it like mug? Is it like boxes? Anything you can think of, billboard and so on and so forth. All you need to do is to first it will tell you the websites that you can actually visit to download mockups templates. So once you download those mockup templates to allow you to generate your mockups in various ways. So first of all, we're going to use freepik.com, enter button, and it gives you this. In here is where you search for images. So take for instance, we're going to look for canned drink. Canned drink is what we're going to, do the mock-up for. So you enter. So you have series of different mock-ups here. But let me also inform you that the premium mock-ups will have this icon like a crown. This means that if you are going for this, you pay for it. You have to make payment for it. But all this one that doesn't have those icons are actually free. So let me just pick this first one here, and you just hit on your download button. You can see free. And once you click on the free, it gives you a space where you will save that file. It's actually a zip file. So we'll just go straight to what happens after you have unzipped the file. If you look at it, I've downloaded it before. But for the sense of this exercise, I need to show you what to do. It's a zip file. I've unzipped it. This is the folder here. So we'll now go straight to your Photoshop. Your Photoshop is an editing software. So whatever you're doing, just be sure that you have a Photoshop software on your system. So you just go straight to where you have saved that folder. This is the folder. Here we have two items. The first one is JPEG, and the second one is PSD, which is Photoshop file. So this is the one we want to use. You click open. We have this open here. So once you open it, you look down here where we have layers. These are the layers that made up this design. The things that are here are the things they've used to make up this design. But for our own, we're focusing on the body of this can, how we can change it. Sometimes we have more than 2 or 3 layers to edit. So here we have 2, 1, 2. So this one say place your design to edit. The same here. So what matters is to know that this particular one is actually the body by me looking at it. If you look at it here, you just double click. So this is your design. And once you double click, it will open another window which says your image here. So this is where we're going to put our design. So this one is actually the mock-up itself. So this is the design part. Design here, if you are good with Photoshop, very good with it, you can generate your design in Photoshop. But if you're not like very good, you can use your CorelDRAW or use any software that you know you can work with to enable you to generate a design that will fit in here. To know the size of your design, you come to here we have image, and you click on canvas size. Canvas size says is in pixels, 1176 pixels and 2094 pixels. That's the size of the the design that you have here. Then for me, I use CorelDRAW to generate my design. So I'll just go straight to CorelDRAW. I've made a design here. I made a design, by picking square tool, dropping it, and checking this is in pixels here. You click on it and key in the size we saw from the Photoshop, 1176 by 2094. You enter. So if you look at this is actually the size of what the design I've made. All right. So this is a simple design which I've made for this exercise. So all you need to do now is to select this whole part and export as an image, a JPEG file. So you can now fit it into that. So here is the JPEG file which I have made. All right. So we'll now go back to our Photoshop. This is the Photoshop environment. Remember, you're going to be on the design area, not this particular mockup. It's on the design area. So since we have our design saved on my desktop, the next thing we're going to do is to go to File, you say Place Embedded. You click on Place Embedded and you come to Desktop. We have the design here, Learn with Steven Academy. This is the design we have made. All you need to do is to click on it and come here and say Place. So you can see now that you have placed it exactly in the space provided for it. So again, you are seeing this blue cross lines. Okay, all you need to do to remove it is to hit the button on your system, enter. It will disappear. So look at the layers now. We have two layers. One on top is the one we have made. The one below is the one we're replacing. So you can leave it there or just uncheck this. As I uncheck this, there's a little space up there and down here. All you need to do is to reposition your design to fill in that space. I still have space here. So all I need to do, I need to adjust the image. You come to your edit here, down, transform, scale. So once you click on scale, to bring back that blue cross line, all you need to do is just to grab the tip of this, end of this, and drag it to your right. It has covered the space that we have here, and you hit your enter again. The next thing you need to do is to save. Control S is to save. I come to File and click on your Save button, and you are good. So once you go to the mockup side, you have your design wrapped around exactly the way it was from the original mockup template. So this is our design, and I believe you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.